Rising Kids, this week we're making a tree from the Garden of Eden. So let's get started. Right, so first we're going to get some paper and then we're going to trace our hand and some of our arm. And this is going to make the trunk and branches of our tree. There we go. And then we're going to cut it out. There we go. Alright, so now we need all of our leaves. So I'm going to use this paper and I'm going to cut it up into circles and then stick it behind my hand. And that should make leaves and also save paper. Okay, so now we've done that, we're actually going to colour these in, I'm thinking a few different greens, just to make it look like a tree. Alright, so now we've got our leaves, we're actually going to colour in this hand so it looks like a tree trunk. So I'm thinking brown, but there's actually lots of different coloured tree trunks. Like sometimes eucalyptus trees have blue tree trunks, which is really cool. I wonder if the trees in the Garden of Eden were really colourful. There we go. So now I'm going to get some glue and I'm going to stick them like this, just behind all the fingers really, but they're like branches, so it looks like a tree. There we go. Now what we're going to do is grab a long roll or a short roll of paper towel, like this one. I cut this one up and then we're going to stick it behind our tree like this. So I'm gonna have to cut a little bit off, but then our tree can stand up. There we go. But we also need to add some fruit, because this tree is the tree of good and evil from the story of Adam and Eve. And the reason why a hand is our branches is because it reminds us that God can be our helping hand when we need to make decisions. So I'm going to put this over here and I'm going to get some little pieces of paper. I might cut them up and colour them in lots of different colours, because we don't actually know what the tree of good and evil looked like or what fruit it had. So you can do whatever you want, really. Now you can stick them on wherever you want. Our tree from the Garden of Eden. It's got lots of different fruit on it and a reminder that God can be our helping hand when we need to make decisions.